NQ checking it out this morning. Nice push to the upside. Everybody's 401k's loving it today. Good day to be a trader too. Awesome. How's everybody doing? Oh, Marcia slayed one already this morning. Way to pull the hammer. Way to go, Marcia. Ow! Suzanne, good morning. Colonel, what's happening? Colonel, where are you at in Italy? I was just there in Positano and a few of the other cities right in that area. Sorrento. Are you over in that direction? Man, what beautiful views off those mountains. Wow. Just goes on and on and on forever.
Order submitted.
All right, we got the scalper jumping in here. Steve, hopefully Steve's out there. Steve dropped this strategy in our Discord a couple of days ago, and man, has this one turned out to be hot. The scalper. I've made quite a few little versions from the scalper here. We used to do 2 contracts all the time on all the strategies, but we went to 1 contract probably 6 months ago, a year ago maybe, and boy, Steve, until you dusted that off again, I hadn't messed with it. So yeah, we've got the scalper here trying to make some money. Yesterday on my machine it got up over 5 grand, so hopefully it can roll again today. I've got some accounts we're going to get it to work on here. I want to show you how to get it going. If this is your first time joining us here with the AI Auto Trader, want to introduce myself. I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. We've got a heck of a team here behind us helping develop software and also creating equity in the markets for you and giving some good signals here. So got David Wise, who's delivering on the trades and the options, and he had a nice trade. Boy, what a beauty. Woo, look at that money maker. Holy moly.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Wow. What a great time to be a trader. He's got some options trades that he pulls together, some setups, and sends those out to you. We've got a two-week trial if anybody just wants to get a couple of picks for a couple weeks and just see how it goes. All right, we're here on the NQ, taking a close look at it. We had a good 200-point move up this morning. Look at the chart in a little bit broader range here. We're looking at a 8 Unirenko on this particular chart right here. We didn't participate in most of this move. Our strategy was disabled, but we've got a couple of hot ones this morning.
Order filled.
Looks like the old ES Smart Stop 2 is rolling up the leaderboard. That's that's Robert's specialty right here. Robert's specialty. We created this one right here off of one that Robert dropped in for us. Said that it's been making a killing. Oh yeah, sorry. I thought you were in Italy. It's in Greece. Yeah, Greece. That's my next spot. My girlfriend, she loves to go to Greece. She's been there probably, she said, over 20 times. So when I get to go, like, she took me to Italy, she had it all planned for me. It's just like pulling me around here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. It was awesome.
Order submitted.
Makes the trip really enjoyable. All right, here we go. Nice move to the upside on the NQ. Got the scalper running here. Scalper's a 2 contract trade. It's got one that takes a little bit off the table that I think at 20 ticks, and then we got this runner here that's just a wide open. Call it a naked runner. It's got a trailer that's running 40 ticks behind it.
Order filled.
Looks like it's up $100 today so far.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
The runner
Order filled.
Got the scalper and the runner. Boy, I'll tell you, these are both hot. Well, the runner jumped in a lot earlier when it had all that
Order filled. Order
all that
filled.
momentum on that big move. Ooh, 20U.
Order filled.
Carfu. Awesome. Wish you
Order
could drop a
filled.
picture and drop a picture in Discord if you can. I'd love to see what it looks like out there in Greece. I was working at a Mercedes
Order
factory,
submitted.
and we were putting in robot
Order
vision
filled.
systems into
Order
the
submitted.
assembly line. So the robot, we would
Order
basically
filled.
give it an orientation in space and XYZ
Order
coordinates,
submitted.
and then take
Order
pictures of
submitted.
the work cell, and then with all of our data analysis, we could pinpoint the exact location of where things were in
Order
space.
submitted.
And I met
Order-
this
order
guy
filled.
from Greece,
Order filled.
and he became a really great friend.
Order
And he's like,
submitted.
"Oh, Miller, you got to come to Mykonos." Mykonos is where he was trying to get me to go. He said it's the most beautiful place in the world. I sure would like to go.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order order orders.
Okay, we got the runner here.
Filled. Order
Got about a
submitted.
$200 bill moving. We're gonna go ahead and put this one on my one of my accounts here. So
Order filled.
if you're new to joining the AI Auto Trader and kind of checking it out today, so this is a software that we develop on the NinjaTrader 8 platform,
Order filled.
and
Order
we
submitted.
develop these strategies here to try and make us money in the market. So what I do to kind of decide where I want to put my money today, I kind of look at my leaderboard and see who's the winner of the day so far, and it must be, the market must be matching that strategy. So it's kind of a combination that I'm looking at here of I know historical too, which ones have been doing a really good job of clearing profit on a regular basis. So
Order filled.
yeah, I'll get one going here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
To
Order
do that,
filled.
I'm going to just go over here to the Strategies tab. I'm going to right click, create a new strategy. If you would buy our system, you wouldn't have to do this. You would just go right click and edit the strategy and go in and change the account to whatever account that you'd like to run your system on.
Order filled.
I was trading my live account yesterday and flipped back over
Order
to
submitted. Order filled.
Apex
Order
today.
submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm going to put this on, go with 1786 here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Now I just enable it and she's ready to roll. So now
Order
if
filled.
this one, this sim
Order
account takes a
submitted.
trade, I'll take a trade on this
Order
Apex
submitted.
account too. And we'll see kind of how the eval process goes. Yeah, if you're new to joining us here,
Order filled.
we do have a 2-week trial
Order
on
submitted.
options picks.
Order
If you
filled. Order
if you
submitted.
like to give options a try, or at least check out the trade setups that we send you, we'll send them over text message. If Rory's out there, maybe he could drop in the link for you here for the 2-week trial.
Order submit.
I was going to mention
Order
also that we do
submitted.
have a webinar this afternoon. Rory Powers will be on the mic at about 1 o'clock,
Order filled.
sharing the results of the AI Auto Trader, how it's been doing over the last month and a half or so, what strategies have really been consistent and performing well. And he'll share that. He'll drop a link in probably, hopefully, here in the chat today. Yeah, futures, we do have a couple of professional traders that you can get a free trial for 2 weeks in their room and see their signals that they're calling in the room.
Order submitted.
We don't do any software trials, though. That's why we go live, so you can check it out right here and kick the tires.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so we had a nice good breakout on the NQ early, and it's just consuming cash right now with this small pipe that it's in right here. Consolidating a little bit of cash flow.
Order filled. Order submit. Order submitted.
Okay, we jumped in on the Apex count here, the eval.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Take a close look at the dimension here.
Order filled. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted.
At 27 ticks of clearance.
Order filled. Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Not giving an inch here on the NQ, pushing down through 200.
Order filled.
40 tick trailer on this one. 2 contract trade. Got a $200 bill in the pocket.
Order filled. Order filled.
Coming out hot now. Got a volume zone here to get through. Holding 200.
Order filled.
All right, back to even on the trades.
Order filled.
It's aggressive strategy.
Order
Had about
submitted.
200 and some trades yesterday, so it's a hot one.
Order filled.
Thanks, Mike. Appreciate that.
Order submitted.
Go check out Greece a little bit and Discord. Thank you.
Order submitted.
That's awesome.
Order filled.
No, that's what we're all trying to go for, Mike. That's why we're all here today. We're trying to get back there. That's what this is all about. We wouldn't do any of this if we were there, hardly. Although I tell you, when I was over in Italy, I was
Order filled.
still using my phone to
Order
trade.
Order submitted.
That's awesome. Thanks for sharing. That's a beautiful
submitted.
spot. Wow, look at that beautiful blue water. Oh man, it's gorgeous.
Order filled.
That's what we're going for.
Order submitted.
This is the ultimate goal right here, guys. Wow, look at this picture. Oh man, what a cool looking spot. Neat. Look at the mountains in the background too. Wow. Interesting.
Order Order submitted. Order filled.
Man, that's
Order
awesome,
submitted.
Colonel. Congratulations. Let's see. Dr. Jeff, let me show you the trade performance yesterday with that 200 trades, because it did whittle away quite a bit of the cash with commissions, but it still cleared. I think it was 3,100 bucks.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Now, yesterday the market was perfect.
Order filled. Order submitted.
It was perfect yesterday.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
So this was sorry, this was the NQ. It was a version of the scalper. Just changed it a little bit to this 40 tick trailer and called it the runner. But yeah, yesterday it traded 218 trades, Dr. Jeff, and it hit 36% win rate. Sorry, percent profitable, and it made $3,000 right here. It netted $3,000. Yeah, but it did give away a lot of commissions. But this is with commissions out. I used the lifetime fee for the brokerage for our commissions. I think it's about $4.50 a direction. So I think it's around $9 for a full trade, from what I remember. So this was yesterday. This was the NQ8U runner. Let me make sure, is that the one I'm running? Okay, we're up 200. That kind of snuck out here behind us. That trade, but that was the results from yesterday. Running the
order submitted.
Let's see here. The runner.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, we're back in again.
Order filled.
See if we can break short here. System's thinking short. This entry was a signal B, so this is an ABC bot taking all three directions here, three signals.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, that was $1,000 in commissions. I didn't even look. I usually just look at net profit because I know that everything else is just part of the process. I'm gonna reconnect data real quick so I can get a couple more accounts to come in here. To do that, I'm just gonna right-click and flatten everything.
Order canceled.
That just gets everything in a good position. You then can go to data, disconnect. I just count like a 5-second delay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I can jump back in. And what that does, it goes out and resets your data feed. So if you have any accounts that you've purchased recently, it'll go out and snatch them and bring them in so that you can then trade them. So data takes about a minute or two to load here, but I'll take a look what this was looking like when. Get rid of this picture here. Yeah, so this was yesterday on this runner. Boy, it got hot. And the interesting thing, when I took a look again, there was 200 trades. So I put the data into ChatGPT, and I said, oh my gosh, I got to teach my girlfriend how to use this. This is like the best tool in the whole wide world. If you're not using ChatGPT yet, you will be soon. I'll do a quick demo of what it can do with our data, which is incredible. So this is ChatGPT. I do have a business account, so we all, everybody in my business can use the same platform, and we can share files here. But you can also just click on whatever GPT that you want to use. We have a data analyst, and you can see the history right here is where I was looking at the most profitable entry. So you can just drag the Excel file from our trade performance. I'll just kind of show you how that all works, which is super incredible. This is super powerful information that can we can really leverage it, especially as a group if we're all doing it, trying to figure out the best settings and parameters to use here. But let me kind of show you the sort of the beginning of how ChatGPT works, or how we kind of go from NinjaTrader activity here in the trade performance. What you do is you go in your trade performance. So boom, we had 200 trades. Like, are you serious? That's ridiculous. So you guys, maybe some of the more seasoned traders are like, that's a no-go for me. What we can do here is we can now shift this to trades. Now we can take a look at this data in a more granular level. So I'm still on this strategy. I just want to show the strategy that I'm clicked on. Okay, so I'm still clicked on the runner from yesterday. So now you can just right click anywhere inside of here. Again, it's a right mouse click. You can go to export. I just let everything stay the same. I just hit save. Actually, you know what I think I'm going to do here? I'm going to change this to an XLS. It'll be easier. So we're going to just hit save. So boom, it saved this data here for me. So now you can go out to Windows Explorer, where it just saved that data. Under my downloads. So it just saved this file. I'm just gonna do a do one of these kind of things. So I've got ChatGPT over in the right, and I've got the Windows Explorer in the left here. What we can do now is just drag the file and drop it into ChatGPT. And now you can just ask ChatGPT anything, just like you ask me a question. Hey Mark, what's the most profitable? And then now I'm going to go back to my file and just see what the column is called. It's called entry name. This is our entry signal. I'll show you the file, what I'm talking about. So this is our data file that we're going to move in there in a second. See entry name here? So we have signal B entry, we got signal C entry, we got signal A entry. Each one of those are a different trade. And what I want to find out is which one is the most profitable. Is it signal A long, signal A short? What is it? So I'm going to ask it, what is the most profitable entry name? So it's going to load the file. It loaded it in its system. And this is now ChatGPT. So ChatGPT likes CSV files. So I'm going to ask it to try again and try to convert the file to a format that it can use. Okay, it's going to force me to do the CSV, so I'm going to have to go back to NinjaTrader. Right click, export, and I gotta I gotta do this CSV file as it's kind of forcing me to do that. When I did that yesterday, I had to go into that CSV and add and change the data to, I didn't want to have to do that here with you guys. But what you have to do, unfortunately, what I have to do is I have to go into the file and I have to change these all to a number so that it can read the number. It didn't know the format before I just saved it. Now I save it again. And so I just go check, yep, time 10 o'clock, boom. Open back up ChatGPT. Okay, so this is ChatGPT again. I'm just going to drag my file in again and do it again. So I'm going to ask it to try find out which entry name is the most profitable. All right. So it's giving me a more complicated time today for some reason. Let me table this. No idea. No idea why it's giving me a hard time now. I'll have to go dig into that in a little bit. Okay, we had the 10 o'clock burst there. Huge drop. Okay. Yeah, Rue, you're getting a lot of buffering. Is it, hopefully it's not on our end here. Anybody else having any viewing issues? Wow, look at that 150 point drop in like 3 minutes. Wow. Let's go look at the 2-minute candle. This thing's going to be bad to the bone. Look at a 2-minute candle here. Okay, big move on the 2-minute. Here we go. This is the NQ 2-minute. Wow, look at that gap. Oh, no. Wow. Huh. Wow, look at that gap in price. That's unbelievable. Wow, that's a huge drop. 535 ticks. In the matter of 952, 958, 6 minutes. 535 ticks in 6 minutes. Boom, shakalaka, drop the hammer. Look at that big frowny face on a Friday. Aww, what's going on here? A big frowny face, Friday. Come on. This is the 2-minute candle. Boy, look at the big boys buying, and just dropping the hammer right here. Look at that gap in price. Nobody was home. Wow. You have no choice in that one but to take the brick as it's fallen. Looks like the gold nugget had a nice trade here this morning, the drone. Boy, that move right there took the oxygen out of the room, that's for sure. 2-minute candle. Okay, let's get some more rolling here. We want some action. It's getting a little too quiet here. Let's see. Get the good chart up. Got the 8U chart here. Ooh, boy. Gonna need some life in it here. Oh, forgot to enable all the strategies again. Darn it. Ouch. Ah, that'll stop action for sure. When you go hook up data again, it's important to go back to the strategies tab, and what I do is I left click in there and then use my control A keys to grab them all and enable them all at the same time. Darn, missed a beautiful move there. Oh boy, that was a big one. Wondered why things weren't changing much here. We've been down for a little while since I since I reset the data there. Missed that big move. God darn it. Oh, that's the way it goes sometimes. So we'll get back in here. We'll get back in. We'll be live and awake here in a second. Let's go ahead and add some more strategies here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I could just do the trade copier too. Let me just do the trade copier.
Order
So to do a trade copy, you just go to, in this case, I have the Flowbots version called Replicanto. So this thing will fire up here. And it's over on my other screen. Here we go. So this is the Replicanto trade copier. Get everything rolling here. Let it catch up.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Looks like they're all coming back online here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, so over in the left here we've got the trade copier. We can go snatch this one here that we're running here on this account, and we can copy it to these other ones.
Order submitted.
I think I might be having a little bit of a data issue here. Let me close everything again.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, let's see here. Get this going. Usually takes a second here to get her up and rolling. Running about 50 strategies probably down here. We're over in the all the index equities, so we're in the RTY, YM, NQ, and the ES, and we also trade the CL, which is the oil, and gold. So those are the instruments that we trade. I'm looking for is when you enable your strategies, they should turn green. So I've got some turning green and some not, which is unusual. We'll see if they take trades. Might be having a little bit of a data issue. You guys seeing the broadcast okay? Rue, I seen that you mentioned that it was a little foggy or whatever earlier. Seem to be okay?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, good, Mike. Seems like it's running okay there. I just put this this one Apex account right here, number 1786, to trade to all these other ones. So if it takes a trade, we'll take it in. Looks like 11 accounts or 10 accounts at least. I think it's 10 or 11.
Order filled.
Down 200 so far. I think we had one trade earlier, maybe two.
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order submitted.
Trying to go long here in the NQ.
Order filled.
A little bit of data lag here.
Order filled.
Hit our first target.
Order filled. Order submitted.
A little bit of data lag here. You can see it in the top right here, 15 seconds. So we're running behind on the chart. Good looking trade. Looks like we're up about against 10 accounts, about 3,000 bucks. Coming up to 4,000. One big trade. Here we go.
Order filled.
And we're out. 380.
Order filled.
Woo! That was a big burst of juice.
Order
Okay, we
filled.
might still be in here, it looks like.
Submitted.
Yeah? No? P now? This one's still in. No.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Ooh, nice trade.
Order submitted.
Woo!
Order
What a beauty.
submitted. Order submitted.
Caught a beauty there. We drove a long trade on one trade. We hit it long, and we rolled it across all these accounts. So I don't know, 4 times. I think it's 11 accounts. So about a little over $4,000 there on that move.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, here we go.
Order filled.
Big trade right there.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Big time volume here in the NQ. Big pushes.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Good time to disable that
submitted.
from all those accounts.
Order filled.
Took the
Order filled.
took the 4,000 and ran. I'm just using it on one account now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Okay, a lot of action here. If you look in the bottom, excuse me, in the bottom right
Order
there.
filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Well, I can't get this thing to look good for nothing here. I'll have to do this. There we go. Should have done that right away.
Order filled.
All right, here we go. We're back in business. That's a bummeroo. I'll have to reset it or something and figure out what's going on there for you.
Order filled.
Signal B trying to go short here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, Rue, it is. It's probably definitely me today. I can tell the data
Order submitted.
is lagging too, and it hasn't been, so there must be something. Yeah, I'm using the Replicanto down here by Flowbots.
Order filled.
I
Order filled.
used it to run up that one trade right there.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
We'll get her going in a minute again too. This one takes so many trades. I don't want to,
Order filled.
you know, wear it out on that one. I want to kind of let it make a couple of good trades, and then we'll jump on it again.
Order filled.
Kind of just checking the market out here and seeing what kind of signals it's tripping into. So that one that's continuing, I let it trade here. It's down 596 right now. The other ones are all up, looks like about 482,
Order
4 something.
Order submitted.
Signal C short position.
Order fell. Order. Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed. Order
Boy, that
failed.
runner yesterday. So this is a 2-contract runner here. So it's a 2-contract trade. This one's called a naked runner.
Order
And
order submitted.
boy, one got away yesterday and made, I think it was $1,200 on one
Order
trade.
submitted. Order failed. Order.
That was a 40-tick trailer.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order. 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 Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed. Order failed.
Yeah, it only takes one trade on these runners to get back and to really move the needle in your direction.
Order failed.
So come to find out, yesterday when that one made $3,000, when I put it in Chat GPT, it did give me the right answer.
Order failed. Order failed.
It said that Signal C short made the most money yesterday. It made about I can go look at the data again. I can't remember the number, but it showed me which one made the most money, and the next progression for Sergio is to get that all done automatically for us, so that we can deliver a bot, you know, Signal C short. Those are the only trades you're taking. Unless it's a setup for a Signal C short, you're not trading. And so that's where we're heading. And we're not very far away, which is awesome. Currently, Sergio's working on back testing. He's got this really clever way that he can back calculate the results of the strategies. So he's very close to cracking that egg right now. He did fix Signal A, so you can backtest Signal A now. I think Robert was asking about it in Discord. So that is in the update, Robert. You should be able to take a look at that now and see that in there. We will do optimizations later this afternoon, and and mention that in the Discord. So you should be able to hopefully backtest Signal A entries now. Okay, I'm going to engage it again. It feels like it's time to try to take a swing.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed.
Just trying to go short. Got a lot of resistance down here short. Back to 20,030.
Order failed.
Got smoked on that one.
Order submitted. filled.
Damn, that's a bad trade. Shit, that was a
Order
terrible
filled.
trade. Mm-mm.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order
Just
filled.
trying to be relentless here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Holding tight on 20,030 on the NQ.
Order submitted. Order filled.
A lot of weakness here in the market.
Order filled. Order filled.
The strategy's hell-bent on going short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Signal C saw it coming.
Order filled.
It fought it off. Wow, that lag time's
Order filled.
crushing us today. Not sure what's going on there. This is extreme today. My other PC's not doing it. I wonder if I should reconnect data again. I'm gonna do that.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Catch a signal B here. Going long,
Order submitted.
hopefully.
Order submitted.
Signal B going long.
Order filled.
Stopped it right at 50. Fucking
Order
stupid.
filled. Order filled.
Oh man. Sometimes you can't
Order
find a
filled.
nut. Oh jeez. Oh, fucking thing.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Fuck. Damn it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
So my leader account got tripped up, so the other ones lost their way. So we'll go 1789.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Change this one,
Order
1789.
submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Now I'll,
Order submitted. Order
as
filled.
soon as it's done with the trade, I'll add a few more. Signal B, trying to go long.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Gonna hold 50, I think, here. A lot of resistance on
Order
50.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so we're in a trade here.
Order filled.
Got a
Order
signal C
filled.
long entry.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
No, I don't use a VPS. We tried, but I just bought another computer, and I call it the
Order
VPS
filled.
here. So I'd rather have control over it. We tried Contabo, and
Order submitted.
you know, it was the same as having a slow computer. The one that I had, we had 16 megabyte of RAM, and then we went to 32, but
filled.
still it was.
Order submitted.
Still, you'd had to
Order
restart it and do some things that, you know, I
Order
just
filled.
figured, why would I, do that? We all have access to it here.
Order
Sergio,
submitted.
Charles, Rory, everybody can get on it here and use it. So it looks like a VPS. The data feed, I think, would be the big difference, huh?
Order filled. Order submitted.
And quite a few trades here.
Order filled.
Got a $200 bill off the table.
Order filled.
Looking like 3. Nice move to the upside. Signal C long entry.
Order filled.
In it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Order
accounts.
filled.
Ooh, almost got me. There we go.
Order-
We're out.
Order submitted.
Good little trade. I think we got about $200 or $300 off that one.
Order filled.
Times 6 accounts, a little $1,200 bill.
Order filled.
Going short now.
Order submitted.
Gonna hold 50 here. 20.50 on the NQ. 50 springing back hard.
Order submitted.
Battle for 50 here. 50's holding. Good looking pressure there for 50. It's gonna hold tight. Here we go. Dropped out the bottom.
Order submitted.
Coming back up to 50. One more time. Test it out.
Order
Yep.
filled.
50's good.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Not enough excitement at 50. Here it goes.
Submitted. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
Coming back to 50.
Order submitted.
Taking us out.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Signal B coming up. Going long.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order filled.
Come on. Jam on it. One time.
Order submitted.
One time here.
Filled.
Running the NQ roller coaster. Come on, baby. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Here we go. Run long.
Order submitted.
Oh, Gary got a new browser, huh? Huh. YouTube is worthless. Wow.
Order filled.
Almost caught that runner.
Order submitted.
Signal B going long again. Pulled in a nice $200 bill on that trade.
Order submitted.
Pushing back up. Got a runner. Come on, baby. Runner. Make it worth it one time. Man, should just take off both contracts today. That runner's about worthless. Boy, it can be exciting though when that runner runs out. Man, like I said yesterday, it ran out. I think it was a $1,200 trade. I think it was $1,275.
Order submitted.
Those are beauties. Those are game changers. And it happens quickly. Think it's a good beach day, huh? Boy, down here in Miami Beach, we're still running about 90 degrees during the day.
Order submitted.
Keep telling my girlfriend I love this fall weather.
Order filled.
She looks at me and rolls her eyes every time. I love it. All right, here we go. Going long.
Order filled.
A little bit of weakness here in the market. I'm going to get swallowed up on this one. 70 will hold tight here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Signal C jumped in long.
Order filled.
Big push to the upside. Coming back on me. Softening up. Softened right up on us here.
Order submitted.
We're seeing some nice orders chugging along. All right, jump up one time. Go snatch that thing. There we go.
Order filled.
.40 tick trailer here. Running through a little bit of a resistance zone here. Got a naked trailer. 40 ticks.
Order
Nice trade.
Order filled.
.40 tick trailer running out here. Well, I tell you, time optimize this strategy, put it between 9:30 and 11, and it can make some money. Thank you, Steve, for putting that in Discord. When I first saw it and it was 2 contracts, I was like, oh my gosh, we used to do that all the time. We used to always have a runner.
Order submitted.
And then we got rid of them for
Order
some
filled.
reason. Trying to make everything easy to see how well it was
Order
doing,
submitted.
you know, on a one-to-one basis, you know, one strategy against the next. But that was a mistake. Here we go. Got a nice runner on this one.
Order filled.
About a $400 move. Coming back on us.
Order filled.
Nice trade. Beautiful.
Order filled.
Well, I hate that it puts those darn things right over the values.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
One more crack at the long shot here.
Order
Going
filled.
long, pushing hard,
Order filled.
getting soft. Ah,
Order filled.
oh, Steven's rolling up the leaderboard. That strategy can fly. Let me show you one time. Steven, daily record. Oh, Rory thinks he reset it yesterday. We have to take a look.
Order filled.
Steven, 52.89. Strategy, 1 day. That one trades 1 contract.
Order. Order.
Trying to go long again. Signal C long entry.
Order filled. Order submitted.
A lot of resistance on this trade.
Order filled. Order sub. Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Looks like we're coming back to 50.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order.
Take a quick break.
Order
Watch this.
submitted.
Give me a hand if you would, and watch this for me.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'll be
Order
right back.
submitted. Order. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, took a couple of trades there, it looks like. Like one winner, one loser, maybe.
Order submitted.
Relentless going long here. Signal B, going long. Nice trail. Good push to the upside. Let's get that target. There we go. Nice move. Here we go. Big runner. Big orders coming in. We're long for the ride here.
Order filled.
Gobble them up. Here we go. Got the institutional money here at work. Look at it, moving price. Woo! Gobbling through 120.
Order filled.
Woo! 120 was too much. 120 was too much. Ran out of gas, just like that. That was a big slug of orders came through.
Order filled.
Woo!
Order submitted.
Big slug.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
We've got market structure confused right here, so we got to get back in alignment.
Order submitted.
Just got alignment again.
Order filled.
Green, green.
Order filled.
Some pivots to work through here. Here we go, institutional money at work one more time. Took it back to 20. 120 is too tough right now. I'll work it for a while.
Order filled.
Working through 100s here. Big move to the upside there. We caught it big time. Couple of good runs. All right, NQ kind of hit the brakes a minute here.
Order submitted.
Working on 100. Works these levels. Hedging the bets. Hedging our bets for when this contract closes. Who's holding the bag, baby? Hot potato coming up. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. You get the right one, though. Going short.
Order filled.
Signal C, a little weakness around 100 this time. RSI hit 50.
Order filled.
Equilibrium right here. Flexing.
Submitted. Order filled.
Flexed us out.
Order filled.
One more time. Like a bobber here. Who's going to win 100?
Order submitted. Order filled.
My fans are speeding up on my computers. There's some action going on.
Order submitted.
Good time to buy right now. Pushing through 120, got the market internals.
Order submitted.
Market internal pop. Go work 130. Here we go. Push through 130. 30's a hard number to get through.
Order submitted.
Coming back to 30. We're holding on 37. 30's tough. Hitting 35. Boom. Clicked it. Coming back though. 30's tough. Our target was in a really good spot because it never hardly gets over 37. 30's tough. 37 again. Holding 37. Rare it does that. Won't pass 37. Work back through 30 one time. Ooh, power move. Power move. I could hear my fans blowing up on my computer. Oh, baby, going to the upside one time. Come on, runner, push through 50. Ooh, 150. $500 bill, come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Boom shakalaka. Nice trade.
Order
Here we go. Not done yet. One more time. Getting soft though. Ooh!
Order filled.
Came back for one more strike. What the hell did I just do? Ooh! Let's try to take something off the table if we can get it here.
Order
There we go.
filled.
If it works through 150 here, we got a little bit of a runner here. Took the one off the table. Tried to get a little bit of cash. We'll scalp. Maybe break even for my risk here on this trade. Got my entry fee paid for. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Ah. All right, good trade right there.
Order submitted.
Holding that 150 here. Kind of upside down on this one.
Order filled.
See what that did. Yeah, that didn't do good.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order
Okay.
filled.
Kind of chickened out of that trade a little bit there. See what it would do.
Order filled.
All right, NQ's holding that 150. Holding the 150 level. Gonna work 150 for a minute. It blew right through 30 though, so it's gonna come back and test 30 more than likely. Rarely blows through 30. Seems to be taking a little bit longer to get my strategies enabled when I turn them on. I'll have to take a look at that a little bit later, see if that's have Sergio look at the log too, probably. NQ, hit the brakes here on us. There we go, coming back. Gonna come back, test 130 a minute. Looks like we're coming to life here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Exactly.
Order filled.
That's funny,
Order
Mike.
filled. Order submitted.
Take stock. They say take stock. No, Mike, it's interesting. My machine looks like it feels like it's doing something a little bit squirrely today. I never have strategies take this long to enable. So there's definitely I probably need to reset data, I'm guessing.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'll do it real quick. I think we're good again, though.
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order-
Just slugged through the
order
rest of them.
filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, let's see if we can make some action here. Hold'em 130. Running the NQ 8 Unarenko chart today. Got a 2-contract strategy. Steve dropped it in for us. Steve, thank you. He called it the NQ scalper.
Order
The
filled.
NQ scalper's doing good.
Order filled.
He had it time optimized. I opened it up, get some
Order submitted.
collect some data on it. But yesterday, I think it made $1,000. That's over in Discord if you want to go grab it. Right here, NQ 8U
filled.
scalper.
Order
All right, this is a version of it. We're going short here.
Order
Boom, shakalaka. Got the target.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Woo! Nice trade.
Order submitted.
Boy, I hate that those things go right over the darn thing. You know what? Let me change
Order
this.
filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Going short again.
Filled. Order
Pushing through
filled.
100, checking 100 out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Anybody selling 100 contract?
Order
Woo!
filled.
We're going short. Here we go. Big trade. $300 bill times 5.
Order-
$200 bill coming back on us.
Order submitted.
300. 200. Woo!
Order
Going
filled.
for Ah!
Order filled.
$1,000.
Order
Woo!
filled.
What a trade. Oh,
Order submitted.
jumped in, going short again. $200 bill.
Order
Woo!
filled.
It's It's racking up some money here.
Order filled.
Coming back on us. Took us out. Up 900.
Order submitted.
Woo! Nice trade. All right, Dan, what's happening? Dan, we got Signal D moved all the way to the finish line. Got Signal D moved all the way to the finish line for you. So here today, and Charles has a version of it too. His version might be doing a little bit better than mine today. I was on and off a little bit here, but right here, Dan had an idea, so we took Dan's idea and made an entry out of it. Let's see, Signal D.
Order filled.
So I've got 3 right here. Trying them on the 8U. Looks like I'm down 83 bucks on one, 12 on the other. This other one apparently hasn't taken a trade yet. I've got them running on the 20U, and it's up 300 and it's up 300. So this is on the 20 Uniranko. So Signal D, Dan, on the 20 Uniranko looks like it's crushing it right now. It's up 300 bucks, and it's in a trade now. It just jumped in again. Okay, so I moved my my Apex account evaluations, the prop account evaluations, to the middle of the screen, so a little easier to see when the contracts close. It puts all those orders in over there on the right hand, like right there when it buys them. So you just can't see what's going on here. So I just moved it to the middle so you can kind of see. When it jumps in a trade, it takes the P&L and it just goes away, it goes blank. That means it's in a trade. And when it's in a trade, it keeps up with the value or the amount of money over here on the right. So that's the way it works. You know, when it's in a trade, you don't see any text of the value here. It goes away when it's actively in a trade. So these ones are not in trades, they're closed. Once it closes the trade, it'll put the amount of money that you're either up or down right here in this spot. And if you're down, obviously it's these down here. These are underwater. This one's 519 in the hole. These ones are positive, so those are up about 500 here. And over here on the right is how much these are, you know, up or down from $50,000 is where they start. So this one's up 109 bucks. This one's up 204 bucks. That one's down 364. And that one's down 519. So that's how these work. Jumped in, going short here. Holding 120. Softness on the RSI right there. It fluttered through 100, 110.
Order submitted.
She's trying to get a little gas here.
Order filled.
Caught the short. Got a $200 bill.
Order submitted.
360. Big short trade. Big short trade.
Order
Woo! The scalper.
order filled.
$400 bill. Came back and tested it.
Order submitted.
500. It's floating. Oversold. Oversold. RSI's coming back to 30.
Order filled.
Boom! Shock-a-lock. Another beauty.
Order filled. Order filled.
Up about 5 grand. One more trade.
Order filled. Order submitted.
We got a webinar coming up at 1 o'clock if anybody wants to go check it out. Going to take a look at the software under the hood. Rory Power has been making killer money all week doing this trading. So I want you to take a look at what Rory's been doing all week, man. I'm really excited for Rory too. He's been doing this on a regular basis too. So he did it 3 days in a row there. He knocked out some big time cash. So really proud of Rory for running the auto trader and making some good money for him and his family. So that's pretty awesome. Today we rolled up a pretty good score today. Kind of once we got rolling, we'll take a close look at the rhythmic
Order submitted.
data here and see what all happened today. So kind of shake out the P&L.
Order filled.
I busted one account. We had 2 that were down 500. One were down 364 here. And these ones were up. So we made a nice profit in quite a few of them here today. The best one right now is this one right here that's trading. It's 189 or 789 here. Looks like it's up about 800 bucks today. We'll let this trade close and kind of see where it's at.
Order filled.
So yeah, it just closed. It's at 662. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 9 of them in the black, and 4 of them hit the red spot. So looks like we did okay today. Appreciate everybody joining us here with the Right Line Trading AI Auto Trader and enjoying the system. And I know that we got plenty of our members that are in the community here, and appreciate you guys joining us and enjoying the system. So looking forward to anybody wanting to check out that webinar. Thank you, Rory. Dropped in a link there. You can just go register and check out the system and see how much money it's been making. Man, holy moly, on our Apex accounts this week, shoot, we're north of 20 grand. Let's go. So everybody, really hope you enjoy your weekend and have a great time. Bye, guys.